If you don't have a tripod or a stand, then watch this video because I am going to show how to make it. This is very easy to make, it doesn't cost any money. Let's see how to make it. Portrait photos and videos. First, take a box. Measure the top or bottom of your phone and cut 8 holes in the box as I did. Now you can insert the phone inside the box. To prevent falling due to weight imbalance, take a box and fill it with some materials and then place it in the opposite side of the phone. Make sure that you do this in your phone. I will show a video which was taken from the box and without the box. Landscape photos and videos. Measure the left or right side of your phone and make a hole in the center of the box. Place the other box under the phone to increase the height of the phone. Now you can insert the phone inside the box. I will show a video which was taken from the box and without the box. Thank you guys for watching my video. If this video helped you, please comment. If you feel that this video is good, please like the video, subscribe to the channel because it encourages me to some awesome videos which are useful and very easy to understand.